Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Just yesterday I made a video on this pinwheel. I'm going to make a no, I'm not going to have to do that. I'm going to take I'm going to add a little bling to this. Take a rectangle, take the Smart Fill tool, set on any color, fill in that rectangle, and then we have that right there. I'm going to left click, I'm going to right click in red so we can see it. I'm going to go to Object and break the curve apart, and then that way I can get rid of these. Well, let me get rid of these lines. Now I'm going to take, this is all one, or make it all one group. Go up to here, your pen tool and change it to like 10 points. Let's make it a little bit thicker. Let's make it 12. Make it white by right-clicking your mouse. Now take your interactive fill tool and go from the top to the bottom. We have, okay, one thing I did not do, we need to go to Object. I thought I converted it to an outline, the outline to an object. You know what, I'm gonna have to break them apart for this to work. Group and ungroup. Go up to Object. Yeah, here we go. Convert the outline to an object. You could do this, or you could rotate it like we did in the first video, but by the time you get everything laid out and ready to go, you could already have it done. Now, I'm pretty sure we can group them together. And now grab the interactive fill tool and go from the top to the bottom. Now, nothing looks like it changed because we're using white. So now, but if we grab a black, and look what it's doing. So alternate your colors. And what you could really do is just double click on the line and make new boxes. I'm just double clicking on the line. And then, of course, all the ones I'm making are white right now. But we're going to go back and change them to every other one black. All right, now we can bring in black and put black here. We can bring in black and put black here. And you can always adjust them and move them, make them, you know, they don't, I'll put two whites together, two blacks together. They don't have to be perfect because you'll see the end result in just a second. So I'm just making every other white, every other black. And that came out pretty well. Now all you have to do is nudge it back over. I'm going to make, somehow inadvertently, so it's always good to work in the center of the page that way, or your items are equal. But let's look at it now. If we make our box black, and look how it stands out. It actually looks like kind of silver shiny metal. Now I purposely didn't do the inside because it's kind of like a fold. So we just have the outside. And I could have, you know, there's a lot of things you could have done. I could have made the line thicker, but that looks pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that just gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.